Hi guys, Jeff here from TAP with another job we got in the workshop today in regards to cruise control. So this particular vehicle, again, a Nissan Dualis, a 2007 model Dualis. Customer complaint is intermittently the cruise control's cutting out. So they might be cruising down the road and suddenly the cruise control will just cut out for no reason. Again, doing an electrical light check on this vehicle before we started, we picked up that there was a problem in the left-hand rear light. There was some sort of earthing issue with that light. So whenever that sort of thing would come up, in other words, they put their foot on the brake or put the tail lights on or used any electrical load in that lamp, it would then feed some voltage to the stoplight circuit and therefore shut the cruise control off. So again, wiring in this particular case, if we have a look here, the back of the light, we can see that one of the pins there is starting to really badly burn. And again, the plug itself. And again, with electrical plugs, anything you unplug, make sure you have a good look at it and see if there's any burn marks or traces. So in this particular case, a faulty earth to a rear light was causing that cruise control to intermittently shut down at different times. So if they used an indicator or they put their park lights on or some sort of load in that back lamp area, it would then shut the cruise control off. So again, important to do your electrical checks on a vehicle if you're looking at any sort of electrical issues. Full light check, full battery, charging system, earths, etc. You might pick up some strange ones, just like we've done on this one here today. See you next time.